Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Bumble Boost or Bumble Premium subscriptions on your iPhone. Now the process for canceling subscriptions is the same no matter which type of the subscription you have, whether it's Boost or Premium or basically any app. All of the apps just work the same when it comes to subscriptions. What you have to do basically is to open up the settings like this. And as you can see at the top, you have your profile picture as well as your name with Apple ID, iCloud, Media, and Purchases. So I want you to click on that. And under the personal information here, the fourth thing is the subscriptions. So just click on the subscriptions like that, and it's going to have to load up. Now on this account, on the Foxtecc, I don't really have many different things. I just purchased the Snapchat for random subscription for me to show you, basically. So what I want you to click on is to find the active subscriptions here, and you should find the Bumble one somewhere on the list. So just click on it click on the button right there. And as of right now, I'm in the 7-day free trial, and I can cancel the trial. However, you can of course go ahead and see the cancel subscription. In case you're not a part of the free trial and you already pay for it, you're going to be able to find the Bumble on the list. Just click on the app and cancel the subscription with the right button. This is the easiest way how you can go about that. However, it's not the only one, because you can still go ahead and switch to a different plan. For example, you have the option to see all plans, and Bumble offers like multiple different subscription models. So when you click on see all plans, it allows you to switch in between them. Keep in mind, I'm using Snapchat as an example, but the same thing works for Bumble as well. So it doesn't matter which app you use, the process of canceling subscription is actually going to be the same. So you can see multiple different things, and you can actually switch to all of the different available plans. Or, as I said, if you don't want to keep it anymore, just cancel the subscriptions or a free trial in my case, and you're going to be good to go. So that's how it basically works. That's all that you need to know about it. This is how you can cancel your Bumble Premium or Boost or whatever subscription you have ready. Before you leave, I want you to see the Foxtecc Educational Platform, which you can join for free. It's going to be linked down below in the description. And there, you're going to learn so much about your iPhone, because I can guarantee that not anyone is actually using the iPhone to the fullest potential. So definitely go ahead and join it right now. It's free to do so. And you can watch like video editing courses, in-depth iPhone guides, and stuff which you didn't know about your iPhone. So I'm going to wait for you inside. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later in the future Foxtecc videos.